Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers, Pen Crowns Vision. Here comes some of our participants to share their views about the group in the event of happy anniversary of Creative Writers. Welcome, dear friends.
Hello friends, I congratulate all the members of Creative Group on the completion of 1 year. During this 1 year, I have seen that it is not only a group, it's a family that smiles with you, prays for you. During my COVID period, I really felt very happy when I saw many of the members prayed for my well-being, and results are there that today I am among you. Somewhere I heard that a person having poetic heart can never be a bad person, and that I see. In this group, I have seen wonderful poets, critics, those who share their reviews. I am thankful to Ms. Brinda and Mr. Kumran for sharing their reviews. Their reviews not only improve our vocabulary, but also give us new structure, new emotions, and I really feel honored to be part of this group. Once again, I pray to Almighty that all the members of this group, they have good health. Kindly keep yourself safe from COVID, and wish to see you again and again in future. With lots of love, Devgan here.
Dear distinguished poets in Creative Writers Group, happy evening everyone. I am Dr. P. Mahadevan, Assistant Professor, Krishnasamy College of Education for Women, Manapattu, Pondicherry. I am immensely pleased to know about the annual day celebration of this group. I understand this group is only a 1-year-old baby, but it stands tall among other groups. The eyes of the other groups are always on this steady group with the eminent poets. So even though there are some losses due to the demise of certain stalwarts like Dr. Gobinath sir, this group is going on steadily. This group has anchored safely under the administration of Mrs. Brinda ma'am and Mr. Kumaran sir. Men may come and men may go, but the Creative Writers Group will go on forever, I do believe. Some of the eminent poets in this group, like Mrs. Princeline ma'am, Mrs. Sumadi ma'am, Mrs. Thamarachelvi ma'am, have brought out their anthologies with the guidance of Mrs. Brinda ma'am. I am fortunate to be a passive member in this group at present. Previously, I used to contribute some poems in sonnet form, but due to some hectic work, I couldn't continue writing poems. But I always enjoy going through the poems and reviews in this group now and then. So many blooming poets are going to shine and excel in the poetic field of literature very soon. Wishing all the members of this group a bright future. May God bless them all with life's best gifts. Celebrate the annual day with much fun and fair. Thank you.
Hi to all creative writers. I'm Sabina Salam from Dubai. I'm extremely happy to be part of this group. Made a lot of friends, like-minded poets who always motivates and inspires others to do better. Special thanks to Brinda ma'am and Kumaran sir for making this happen. 1 year has passed by, and it's a very special day, and it has a very special place in our hearts. Wish all of you the very best to come. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Eri Larsi from Arakonam. Congratulations to all the creative writers. We have completed 1 year in this literary genre. First, I would like to thank our admin Brinda ma'am and Kumaran sir, Lokesh sir. Brinda ma'am, especially, she's choosing a very nice topic with a very good background each and every day. And for her, my hats off to her, immense effort. And every day new thoughts and ideas are shared in this group. I learnt a lot, and my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Deepa ma'am She's the one who introduced me to join this creative writers group, and my heartfelt gratitude to all the admins, and I extend my greetings to all the creative writers. On this great day, I pray to God to bless each and every one of us. Thank you.
Good evening to all. Myself T. Thamari Chelvi from Kadalur, and I am so happy to meet you all. It's my pleasure to express my gratitude and happiness towards our group. Creative Writers Group, isn't it a regular WhatsApp group? It's a wonderful platform to exhibit our expressions in the form of poems. And it sustains our cognitive components and intensifies our literary thirst and enhances our self-confidence. In this context, I would like to extend my hearty thanks to our dear admins, Mrs. Brinda ma'am, Mr. Lokesh sir, and Mr. Kumaran sir, for their uncompromising supports. Thank you all. Thank you, friends. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.
Hello creative writers, I'm DA and Eunice from Nagarkoil. First of all, I would like to thank Brinda ma'am who made me a part of this group, and Saraswati Rajaram, who's my lovable Periyamma, who introduced me to this group. I would like to thank Brinda ma'am who give amazing topics with wonderful background every day. Next, I would like to thank the teachers who give me wonderful feedbacks in a encourageful manner. Next, I don't have any ideas about writing poems before entering this group. But now I have a great interest in writing poems. Thank you for making me like this. I'm a part of a group now in a poems book. Thanks for this opportunity. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, creative writers. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.
Happy birthday, dear Creative Writers. Creative Writers is celebrating its first birthday today, which was started by Mrs. Brinda Srinivas an year before. We are all the members of the group. Writing, posting and reviewing poems for the given topic is our daily work. Work time 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. I used to scribble in my free time. Now I become a writer and an author of a book, Just Be. All because of Mrs. Brinda's motivation. Co-admins Mr. Kumaran, Mr. Lokesh, encouraging the members well. I molded myself with the reviews I received from Mr. Mahadevan, Mrs. Fazil, Mrs. Brinda, Mrs. Smriti, Mrs. Beulah, Mrs. June, Mrs. Sabina, Mrs. Hema, Mrs. Baldi Priya, Mrs. Yamini Priya, Mrs. Shyamala, Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan, Mrs. Thamari Chelvi, and Dr. Mary, and inspired by all the writings of all CW friends. I wish this group will grow well and produce more poets and authors for future. Like Tanya and Amruta, expecting youngsters will occupy the group to keep this always active and energetic with the best guidance from our admins, co-admins and excellent members. Once again, I wish to thank our Creative Writers group. Thank you. Your progress begins. Let us calculate and celebrate for years. Thank you.
To one and all. I am Mrs. Chudamani. I am a retired PG English. I have to say my sincere thanks to Mrs. Brinda Madam who has motivated me. I am 70, whereas in this age also I am able to write and able to speak only because of her. I have composed nearly 6 or 7 because of her motivation. As I have become a diabetic patient, I couldn't write it within a day and there is a gap. But I hope that I will recover soon and I will write it also. The love and affection which prevails among the teachers of our group, that is Creative Teachers Group, is can't express. That is the main reason for the development of this. Apart from that, she is motivating even the teenage children. The students who are studying in schools are motivated by her. She can be called as a good Samaritan because it is she who has the intention of making the school children to become high, and not only that, he is motivating all of us to become to the higher level so that they can shine in the world. Apart from that, the program conducted on Saturday, Sunday is wonderful one. It develops GK of us. One day I have observed it. As I had keen any interest in participating also. I had an intention of asking to participate, but as I feel that it will take time for me to recover soon, I didn't ask her also. But I convey my sincere thanks to her for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I hope that I will recover soon and I will participate and write so many poems and all. And may God bless her. My sincere thanks to Brinda Madam. On behalf of all, I convey my sincere thanks to her.
Hi everybody, I'm Tanya. I would like to thank Brinda ma'am and Kumaran sir for joining me in this group. I would also like to thank Kalyani ma'am, Beulah ma'am, Lokesh sir and John ma'am who helped me to express my feelings in the form of words. I thank all the creative writers who reviewed my poem, and your reviews encouraged me a lot. I am very grateful that I joined this group. Thank you so much. I owe you all.
Good morning to all. This is Gayatri from Dharmapuri district. I feel very happy to be a part of this creative writers group. I am very thankful to Brinda madam and other co-admins. It is very super to have a journey in these creative writers. All are very dedicated and motivating others very hopefully. I feel very happy and thanks a lot. I want to continue my journey. Still I have that opportunity to reach my goal. Thanks a lot. Once again, a very happy birthday to have creative writers. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Deepa from Arakonam, Ranipet district. First of all, I would like to greet all of you. Happy birthday, dear creative writers. I'm proud to be a part of our creative writers group that had been started in 22nd of May 2020 during the lockdown due to the pandemic of COVID-19. Mr. Kumaran, our co-admin, introduced this group to me. I joined with the help of our admin and founder of this group, Ms. Brinda. Mr. Diravya Kumar and Mr. Lokesh too contributed a lot to this group. Before celebrating our first anniversary, my friends have published their own books along with a variety of poems in a single garland of cascade of poetry, rainbow of verses and mesmerizing honey drops. This platform creates not only poets but also critics and reviewers. It is like a mini literary club that exists in our books of English literature. Our club opens at 7 p.m. and closes at 10 p.m. Miss Brinda, with her nurturing, warm hands and with her exuberant approach, guides us into the apt path of poetic world with ecstasy. No one can forget Mr. Kumaran's criticism. Though rich in vocabulary, we all used to wait eagerly for his humorous reviews. I hope we all heard the onomatopoeia Tung Tung created by Miss Lakshmi through his criticism. We all have enjoyed these days as the ships are tossed due to the stormy waves. We too are tossed by this pandemic waves, but with positive vibes, still continuing our journey with our pals to reach the destination. Having a lot of fun with pun on words, made new friends along with my besties, Erularasi Madam, Jones Miss, Kumaran Sir and Ramesh Sir. Let our journey continue ever. Finally, I thank Brinda Ma'am and Kumaran Sir for giving me this opportunity to join. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sumati Natrajan from Tirupur district. The Creative Writers Group has taken me to a different world, the world of imagination, the world of fantasy, the world of reality, of course. My hearty congratulations to this first year anniversary of Creative Writers team. The brainchild of Mrs. Brinda ma'am, I fondly call her. Greetings to you all. Such a cheerful voice she has, I tell you. Hats off to her dedication and the down-to-earth quality. Very kind, humble, and I really, lack words. My gratitude is always there for her, as she's the one who joined me to this creative writers group. I really never contribute much to this group. Almost every time when I think of that, I feel guilty about it. But still, I enjoy all the poetry. I read it. I cherish the appreciations given by most of the teachers, the young artists, the language which is simple yet elegant. Some of the language, some of their literature is in the old form, Shakespearean language. And the mentors. Even though I contribute very less to this group, I take pleasure in reciting the poems. And I am so thankful to almost all the people who had given a very, very good liking towards that recitation. Thank you so much. And I would be there, and I would like to travel in this literary journey with very, very light heart and heavy thoughts. I thank all the group members for having given me this opportunity. I would like to give a special mention about the mentors. They groom so very well. The young artists, the young poets are bubbling with spirits. And those who have matured, the poets who have matured enough, they groom so very well that they reach the pinnacle of success. Thanks a lot for having joined me in this group. Thank you so much, Brinda ma'am.
Hi friends, this is Shirin from Creative Writers. I thank Brinda ma'am for creating such a wonderful group. My special thanks to the pillars of CW, Mr. Kumaran sir, Mr. Lokesh sir, and Ramesh sir. And I thank Mr. Mahadevan sir, Mr. Hemant sir, Beulah ma'am, Kavita ma'am, John ma'am, Kalyani ma'am, Fuzzy ma'am, Nirmala ma'am, Vinu ma'am, Asha ma'am, Bharti ma'am for your supports, and all CW.
I am Sister Amador Pau Mary, doing BT Max in St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Kunnur. I was around 17 or 18 years old when I started writing. I have written many poems in Tamil. The Creative Writers Group made me to write poem in English. When great fear appeared in front of me, Mrs. Brinda intended me to move forward. Creative Writers Group is a male-female gender group. As if sowing grows, writing poem will make others to grow. Whenever I come to the internet, Creative Writers Group comes to my mind. Creative Writers Group made me to use the internet in an effective way. This group of people avoiding meetings. They are wandering to write poem. Every day we evaluated our poems. Creative writer team that removed the corona from me because I was a pent-up in a room. The team that helped me to change my characters, to change my thinking to read, to enjoy the new era. The creative writers team gave me the pleasure that I lost in suffering. So once again, I thank creative writers team.
Hi everybody, I am Alice from Ramnad. I am also one among you. Vanakkam. Stay safe and be blessed. Cascade of poetry, sparkles of short stories, rainbow of verses, glitters of creative writers, mesmerizing honey drops. Yeah, what a great opportunity to be the writer. Me too got a rare opportunity to write a few poems and a short story in the above mentioned titles. I am glad to thank God and our admin, Mrs. Brinda ma'am. That too in a book form. Really, it is wonderful. Fantastic feel we had. Really, an awesome blessing for us. Words fail to express our excitement and gratitude when we receive these books in our hands. The peak of happiness rises on seeing our names, and in these books, we are very happy to see our writings. The credit goes to our admin, Mrs. Brinda, a versatile genius. She guides, counsels, encourages as a motherly feeling. As a mom, she guides us very patiently and kindly. Mr. Kumaran sir, Go admin, known for his standard of vocabulary in his reviews. Occasionally, we enjoyed competitions too. Even Kadalur collector participated in our enjoyment by giving the prizes to the competitors, the winners of the competitions. Really thank God for such a wonderful opportunity for our CW group. Since last year, month of May, I am blessed to be among learned audience like you people. The credit owned by Mrs. Jayanti teacher from Ramnath, who introduced me in this group. Otherwise, I won't be here. Thank you, Jayanti ma'am. Till last May, I don't believe in my writing skill. Now and then I scribble. Creative Writers Group made me to march forward with the hope to be an author of poems book soon. May God bless lovely admin ma'am sincere efforts to be fruitful forever. Happy birthday to our Creative Writers Group and also the members of our group. Long live 1 year baby CW forever. God bless all. Thank you. Take care in this pandemic period. God bless you all. Thank you.
I'm immensely glad to hear your voice from the depth of your heart. It is all possible only with your support and encouragement and inspiration. It is a teamwork, it's a family. Thank you all, dear ones, to give your earnest support. Let us sail together for the days to come till we reach the pinnacle of glory.